Hey everyone, it's Brianna with WTI, and I want to show you my Bestsee dash cam.
Nowadays, with everything that can happen on the road or even when your car is parked, my husband and I love the peace of mind that we get with this dash cam. It's amazing that it has an app that automatically downloads all of the footage so you can review it there or you can transfer it to your computer. I definitely recommend picking up the hardwire kit as well so that your camera can be recording even when your car is off and parked. This dash cam set has great high quality, wide angle cameras both in the front and the back, so you're sure to capture everything from license plate numbers to a detailed playback of exactly what happens on the road. Also, I love that when you go back to look at your footage, you can even see your exact coordinates and the speed you were going. Since I'm using both the front and back cameras, the resolution is 2.5K in the front and 1080p in the back. However, if you only use the front camera, it'll be 4K resolution. The recordings it takes while the car is off and it's in parking mode are time-lapse, so it makes it easy to quickly swipe through footage and see exactly what happened. The cameras take normal real-time footage while the car is turned on. Now I want to talk more about one of my favorite features, that is the 24-hour parking mode, a feature that many dash cams don't include. The Bessie dash cam automatically records if it detects motion around your vehicle, even when you're not there. You'll be able to take full advantage of this feature if you also pick up Bessie's hardwire kit, which was a quick job for our mechanic. Installing the rear camera on your own is a very easy job. We just tucked in the wires in the trim of our car. Fortunately, I haven't had an accident while having this camera installed, but I know that if anything happens, Bessie has me covered with easy access to high quality recordings, documenting exactly what happens on the road and when my car is parked.
And that's my point of view.